Rise and shine, putos. Rise and shine, putos. Today is a beautiful day. Today is nephew's 17th birthday. He's almost ready for strip club activity. But other than that, today is haircut day, baby. We're finally getting this shit cut. Cause this is not it, brother. I can't get no type of love from a woman if I look like this. Well, that's not true, because your woman should love you regardless of how you look. You feel me? But if you're anything like me, you have a fiance, a wife, a mistress, a side bitch, you know what I mean? You gotta make sure you look good for all of. I'm just playing. I'm just joking. Oh, Zosh get a girl. He think he got bitches. So what, nigga? Right now, I am on my way to pick up nephew so we can go to this haircut appointment. I haven't drove a Kira in so long. It feels good to drop my girl again. Appointment was at 10:30. It's now 10:30. And we got this in the car. Justice, what you doing today for your birthday, dog?
Well, feel me? First, I'm making a change. First, I'm growing my hair out.
You gonna grow your hair? So what you getting today?
I'm getting a tattoo, bro. And then
no, I'm talking about your hair.
Oh, bro, I'm getting a blowout, bro.
Are you gonna get a blowout?
Yeah, bro.
You gonna grow your hair out for real?
Yeah.
Dang. He hasn't grown his hair out since I don't know when, bro. 6th grade.
No, the end of 8th grade, bro.
Yeah, he had like a mohawk.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to get that. And you getting a tattoo today?
Yeah.
You getting it today? Where at?
From this.
You already made the appointment?
No, they said it was walk-in or appointment. It all depends.
Your mom got to be there though.
Yeah.
Or your dad for a consent, cause they got to sign something.
True.
So this man getting a tattoo. I need to go get me a tattoo. I haven't got a tattoo in a minute. But the way my bank account's set up, who would have thought years ago I went to a school way over there, and my barbershop is right there. Tip Top, boy. What you know about Tip Top, boy?
Nobody know about it.
Yeah, y'all don't know about Tip Top, but that's the East store right there. Y'all don't know about. Woo! We back in action. Back in action. That man right there, the GOAT. Burgundy pants, that's Jarrell. That's the GOAT. Now if you got a blowout, pause. Yo, we back in action, my boys. We're back in action. Back home. Are you ready? We got some protein premieres. I'm gonna hit the gym early, so I'm taking this before. This is what you call a pre-workout shake. Can you take it off for me, please? Man, girl, you strong. You ready?
Yeah, this is a strength.
Oh yeah, look at that. Boom. Protein shakes are digested. Now we're gonna wait to get ready and stuff and hit the gym. You usually want to take about 30 minutes to an hour before you go to the gym. So go there, get some resistance, endurance training going on, and then we should be godly good, playboy. I'm going into a calorie deficit because that's what you got to do. You want to go to a calorie deficit so you know your body can do all the gymnology stuff. But when I'm at the gym, I'm going to listen to this interview with Big Sean, because Big Sean is one of my top 5 artists of all time. So I got a nice little thing to listen to, 3 hours. Here we good. That was a good workout. I don't know if it's a placebo effect or it's psychological, but the protein definitely helped me today. I'm sweating. Usually when I come to the gym, I only sweat if I do cardio, like the Stairmaster, treadmill. But I was doing basically like, I didn't film a lot of the workouts. I did tries, I did overhead. I don't know what you would call those, to be honest. I don't know all the gym terms. I'll just be doing them. It's what when you do the I have some do. I don't know. Y'all niggas saw what I did. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Damn, baby, your arms look nice.
I got a little pump going on, you hear me? Alright, so.
Look, there's a prelude.
Get the lewd on camera, boo.
Baby's gonna give me a prelude.
That's what she wants, y'all. She wants a prelude. She wants a prelude. That one's a clean, too.
Whatever car this is, sell it to me. His IG thing is on the side.
Wanna go ask him? Wanna go get the name and see if he'll sell it to us for $500?
That Randy special.
The Randy special, the Randy 500.
Randy offered me $500 for my car.
Look at that. 26 years old, and I never got a manicure done. 26 years old, and I never paid for a girl's nails. But yep, nails are done by Trisha. You feel me? That's the fam. If you have a female girlfriend or something like that, or boyfriend, hell, we don't discriminate around here. If you got one of those, link down below to Trisha's Instagram, and set up an appointment. You feel me?
By Trisha with 2 A's at the end.
Yep, I have it now. I have it on the description bar below.
Stop.
Why? You're the first girl I ever got paid for nails.
Cause I'm the best.
All right, bro. You need to relax.
I am.
You need to relax.
You said it too.
I be lying.
No, you don't. You said the truth.
For real? Let me lie. You gotta always tell your new girlfriend that she the best, right?
I am the best.
You are the best. But fellas, remember, you gotta lie to keep her happy. I'm not saying she's not the best. Hell, I never had a girl cook for me. Never. She did.
I do a lot of stuff for you.
I know, but I'm saying not just for me in general, but just who you are as a person that makes you the best.
I know, I'm wonderful.
I
I have a beautiful soul.
But you crazy as hell.
I am crazy.
What? Language. Just now leaving the mall. Went to my mom's house after we left Randy's house. Went to my mom's. Chilled with my mom for a bit. Then we went to the mall. Got my niece some gifts. Got my sister some gifts. And yeah, those two people are taken care of. Tomorrow. Well, no, my other niece watched my video, so I can't really talk too much about what I got her. But I should be getting her something tomorrow. But I wanted to get on camera real quick to talk to you guys about maybe doing a PS5 giveaway, raffle, whatever the hell you want to call it. But I'm thinking about buying a PS5. I'm gonna end up having to buy it at market value, which is like $800 around there, $750, $800, $850, depending on what the cost of what it could be. And would you guys opt in for like a giveaway thing, like 100 spots, $10? So you can see there's not really much profit being given, but the profit will go back into the channel, like merch or something, like somewhere it's beneficial. Somebody get a PS5 for $10, or how many spots they ended up entering for. But we get more stuff on the channel, get things popping. But just let me know in the comment section below if you will be interested in something like this. I think this would be a great opportunity. I would love to help someone get a PS5 for the holidays. I know it's kind of too late to do it, but hey, it is what it is. It's better to, better late than never, So let me know. Link down below. Now we're on the way home now. I gotta shoot this Manscaped ad so I can get paid. I forgot all about it. Huge thank you to Manscaped for continuing along to our brand partnership deal. They renewed the contract for 6 more months, so that's gonna come in handy. Help with mortgage, help with things around the house, help build some stuff on the channel. It's gonna help. So it's really nice that companies see the effort of my videos, in a sense where like when I really promote something, I actually put effort into it instead of just reading a script. It seems like most of these dudes do, but it's nice that effort gets acknowledged once in a while. It's really nice. So that's what's going on. Back to the house. I gotta help girlfriend with her esthetician content creation stuff, and that's what's going on. So stay tuned for the rest of this vlog. I might get knocked out, I might not, I don't know. We'll see what's good. Check your boy out. I got 3 of them bad girls. Boy, I got 1, 2, 3. I also got a dash cam. I don't know how long I had this, but somebody's gonna have a dash cam for Christmas. I don't know who to give it to yet, but someone got that. My girl's pops. All right, let me shoot this Manscaped bag, get this edited, and blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Manscaped ad is shot. Food is ready. Tonight we're having some lamb chop with some cilantro rice.
Cilantro lime rice.
Cilantro lime rice with some broccoli. And we turning up tonight. Yo. with water. So be sure to drink your water, you know what I mean? It's healthy and all that, you know what I mean? But yes, this is our post-workout meal. Well, we had Wendy's, but I ain't gonna say we had it, so I'm gonna lie. I'm gonna leave it in the vlog though. But this is our post-workout meal, and it's time to eat. It was alright. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for yet another Zosh Vlogmas video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. And let me know if you guys want to see that PS5 waffle baffle daffle thing go on, where I can, you know, help somebody win a PS5 for 10 bucks. So, or more, depending on how many entries you want to do. But it's going to be like 100 entries. 10 bucks, you know, a spot. I think that should be easy to fill. It should be easy. It's all going to be done legit through the website, I think. Maybe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was something quick and something smooth, something light, something crazy. Finished the Manscaped ad. Did some shopping and tried to buy a PS5, but the people ain't hitting me back. But this doesn't make any sense. But yeah, let me know if you want to do. I love y'all. Yeah, how many people told y'all that they love y'all today? Exactly. Let me be the one to tell you that I love you, bro. I truly do. Now hit the like button. Tell me that you love me back. If this video get over 5 likes, I'm dropping a cooking video.